how to download Alternate Watch. So if you want to download Alternate Watch game, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Go with the search and search for Alternate Watch game. Once you search here, you will have Alternate Watch download. Go with that. And once you've searched for Alternate Watch game, you can go with the first search, which is Alternate Watch. And here you need to scroll down and you will have the download option, right? So you just need to simply go with the download, any download that you are comfortable with. And once you click on download, it will start the download process. Here on the upper right, you will have the download history. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application or to download the file. Once it's downloaded, you can simply go with your files. And under the files downloads, you will have that file, right? So you just need to simply double click on it, and after double clicking, or you just need to simply right click on it and you will have an extract option. You can simply go and extract it and you can install the application. So that's how you can download the Alternate Watch. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.